Hey, so today I'll show you how to use Google Keep on mobile in 2026. If you want to take quick notes, make to-do lists, and stay organized on your phone, this guide is for you. First, install Google Keep from the Play Store or App Store and open it. It works on both Android and iPhone. Next, sign in with your Google account. This is important so your notes save and sync automatically. Now, tap the plus button to create a new note. You can write ideas, reminders, or anything you want. Yeah, tap the checklist icon to create a to-do list. This is perfect for daily tasks and planning. Now, use colors and labels to organize your notes. This helps you find things faster later. Yeah, add reminders to important notes. Your phone will notify you at the right time. Now, you can add voice notes or images. This is great for quick ideas or visual info. Yeah, swipe or tap options to archive or delete notes. This keeps your app clean and organized. If you're signed in, your notes will sync automatically. You can access them on any device, anytime. So, yeah, that's how you use Google Keep on mobile. Once you get used to it, it becomes your daily productivity tool. Thanks for watching.